Hello guys, welcome to Singh Unboxing. This video is about my upcoming journey and future of this channel. Let's see what we have in store for you. Last year in August, I planned to apply for Canadian permanent residency, and I'm happy to share that I've received it. In November 2019, I will be moving to Vancouver. I'm going to make a full list of videos on the whole process, which includes the process for express entry, clearing IELTS exam, how much money the whole process took, and all the issues which I faced throughout the process. I will keep you updated on my journey from India to Canada. I will also be continuing with my videos for technology once I get to Canada. I am really excited about this move, and I would be happy to share all my experiences throughout with you to make your journey a very safer and a comfortable one. Please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe if you would like to be a part of Singh Unboxing's journey to Canada.